Hi, I'm Ernie Chen, President of Portman College. We've come to the 9th ultimate tip of the series of 10 ultimate tips over here. Now remember, whatever you do, just don't stop doing it. Ban it, remove it, reverse it, but stick with it. Ultimately, whenever you stick with something, the chances of you getting there is always greater than you just stopping. If you stop, that's the end of it. If you keep moving forward and you keep on doing what you need to do, persistence is key for you to develop a sense of confidence in achieving results. So the next time before you decide to quit something, stick with it. You tend to see more results coming out quicker. So that's going to give you the tip that you need to build confidence. So ladies and gentlemen, remember, the next time you decide to stop on something, stick with it. For as long as you're doing it, you'll be fine. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ernie Chen, Portman College President. Till next time, I'll share with you the last ultimate tip of the 10 ultimate series. Till then.